Live at Zendaya's party. Oh my gosh. It's the Joker is at the party. Oh no.
Yeah, it's not complete until we have the Joker.
Oh my gosh, that's right. It's not a party till the Joker's here.
So exciting.
Right?
Zero to way.
I know.
Alright.
He's on the stage. You gotta appreciate all the stages though.
That was a good one. Okay, no more. No more for mom.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Don't worry, the whole
This stuff is actually good for your skin, so it won't dry your face out. This is actually good for your skin, this stuff.
And you feel alone, just the natural, not the natural.
You're already starting to transfer.
That's right.
Wow.
You want your statement?
You want a sneak peek while you're still you? Still you. Yeah, you're going bye-bye. Joker time. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, peek your head in. Be in our video. It's just the Joker. No one to worry about.
The Joker's
You're
coming.
pretty well matched, you two.
No, I'm really not. I never die.
That's right, you don't. I know your mouth is dry, but this is actually good for your mouth. This is good for your skin, sweetie. It will help it. Want to see yourself again?
We can die.
Wolverine, you're not in the movie unless you're a couple steps down. Come a couple steps down. You okay in there? Yeah? Okay. Sneak peek. Okay.
Let me see. My lips can't stand it.
Your lips can't stand it, poor babe.
No,
Okay,
don't
it's-
lick them.
okay, it's time-
It's
It's time to softly close your eyes. Very soft. Okay? You know what? Hang on.
Yeah, because he's in that stage.
Okay, close eyes. Don't open. Soft, soft.
And he's the only one I see at school like that. Got a ring. Yeah.
Good job.
Orange.
Ooh, other side. Soft, soft.
Wow. Where's Matt? Matt, where'd you go?
Go.
God.
Let's see how we doing here. Ooh, we're looking pretty. Look at this look he gives you.
Can you do that? Let me see that smirk. Oh wow.
All right, now because you're a boy Joker, I don't like the mouth to be blazing red. I like to use this color. It's a little.
Where he does his lips. Try to keep him
I'm gonna
up.
ask her.
Is it tickle?
Don't wiggle because your mouth. Because this Joker doesn't really have a messy mouth like the other Joker. He has a nice, neat mouth, and that Joker has a messy mouth, right? But this Joker has a neat. Oh, you want to see yourself? Let's get some green. Are you okay? Here, put your hand over your mouth. Let me see how that. Let's see how we're starting to look. Let's try the other one.
And I hate to go out.
Oh, sticking your tongue out at us. That looks cool. Let's put some green in your hair. Let's see.
I can't stand my lips.
You can't? You want to hold the mirror? You look really good. Let's get some green on you. Let's see.
If I didn't have little man,
A grandcorn.
What'd you say, Abbott?
Why are they down here?
That's an Abbott right there.
So do something. And what you should do is keep looking at your kids. No. But you know what? It's going to be that in your nails.
Are you going to see your hair turning green?
Oh my god.
Let me see. It's been a long time since I saw this movie. I forget stuff that he says. Oh, you know what I forgot? He has a tattoo on his face. See? So his tattoo says, in the movie, his tattoo says damaged, and he has a little J here. So you get a choice. I can either write, just like him, damaged, or I can write ha ha ha. It's up to you. Kids pick one or the other.
Oh my god. Damn
Let me get a nice paintbrush for it then.
The theme song for Joker.
Oh, nice. Okay, hold nice and still. Don't move. You ready?
Stay still, bud.
Don't wiggle, Angel. And you get a J. Still.
Wait till you see it down.
I was gonna ask her
Here. Look right here. Put your mouth up.